Full-time meal this week is a beef crumble. It's not a dessert, it's a lovely, like a riff on a pie. And the big bonus about this one is it's using lots of tin stuff, right? Things you might have in the cupboard or pocket-friendly things that you can pick up at the supermarket. Trust me though, it is delicious. You're gonna need minced beef, potatoes in a tin of carrots, oxtail soup, onion, frozen peas, flour, oil, dried herbs, gravy granules. Equipment you're gonna need: bowl, high-sided roasting tray, sieve, frying pan, knife, tin opener, wooden spoon, and your favourite mug. First thing we've got to do to make our beef crumble is brown our beef off. We want to get it a really lovely colour. You just want to keep moving it around so it breaks up, all right? Because if you leave it in one piece, what it'll do is it'll just fry into being one, like, massive burger. And we don't want that, all right? We want lots of little bits, OK? So don't be shy about moving it about. This may take about 10 to 15 minutes, OK? So as that's frying, I'm going to slice the onion. So you can see and hear now, it's got a bit of a dry fry sound to it, and that's good. Because that means a lot of the moisture is gone, and it will now start beginning to brown up. Right, at this point, put in your sliced onion. Let it begin to soften. And that lovely beef and onion flavour, I mean, it's classic, isn't it? The next thing to go in it, tin new potatoes. And you give that a bit of a stir. Next thing to go in. So I grew up, it's a single parent family, myself and my brother, and this would be tea. And it's one of the easiest things to do as a young kid, is open the tin, warm it up and have it with some toast. In this case, I'm gonna use it as gravy for my crumble. Then fill it up with water. I'm gonna add that as well. So equal parts oxtail soup and water into the pan. Just gonna cook it out for around about 5 to 10 minutes until it reduces down. Now that's a chefy term for kind of like boils away, thickens. Okay, so after about 10 minutes, all that lovely oxtail soup is reduced down. You can see the potatoes have changed colour. They've got this lovely kind of golden orangey colour. And then into that, 1 mug's worth of frozen peas and the tinned carrots. And once all of that is in, give it a good stir around, and that is going to get emptied into my roasting tray. And kind of spread it out evenly. And to make the crumble topping, you need 1.5 mugs of plain flour. Then into that, 4 tablespoons of instant gravy granules, 3 teaspoons of dried mixed herbs. Then 4 tablespoons of veg oil, 1/4 mug of water. And just start to mix it together. You're not looking at forming a dough, you're looking at forming kind of these like little lumpy, bumpy bits. Think of this as like, it's almost like dumplings to go on the top. It's a similar sort of thing. And just gently kind of sprinkle it all over it. And that is ready to go in the oven. It's got like a nice crunch to it as you go through it. The minced beef, the carrots and the peas, all kind of cooked together, all that flavour, that lovely crispy, crunchy bit, don't forget that. That, with a glorious bowl of vegetables, all out of a tin, super easy, and an amazing topping. And what more could you want? So that's this week's full-time meal done. Why don't you show me how you got along using the hashtag full-time meals and visit the page where there's loads more recipes.